Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have another episode of continuing the Peterbilt build. And so David right now is unpackaging his brand new oil pan. We noticed he had a crack in it, so we're going to get that replaced. That way we can take off the old one and then put some fresh oil because we want to get the truck started before we do anything else. So so that's the plan for today. We're going to repaint it because it's just black now from the, where'd you buy it at the dealership?
Actually I don't know where I got it.
Yeah,
through a friend.
Either way, yeah, you got it through a friend. So it's nice and black. I'll show you guys. Yeah, it looks brand new. It's all good, but we want to repaint it red to match the Cummins engine that he has in it. So that's the project for today. We might continue into tomorrow so we can paint it all, replace it, you know, take it off the old one, put this one on. So that's what we're doing right now. And then we'll just show you guys the process of repainting an oil pan. And that truck back there, like we mentioned it before, I'll let David explain just a little bit so you guys, because we mentioned it before, so we want to still tell you guys a few things about it, but we'll make another full video before.
The truck is
after.
home.
Yeah.
And it's got a lot of work. But we'll get to it.
Well, what does it have in the engine for now? Because it still runs.
Yeah, it's an inline 6-cylinder with a 3-speed over-the-tree transmission.
I want to show you the engine right now real quick.
I've been working on this for about 5 years already. But engine pre-built, the valve cover needs to get painted, carburetors are built, get a new radiator, battery, a new fuel pump is in there, new starter.
Yeah.
So it runs. I mean, it hasn't ran for about 4 years already, but we'll find some time for it and see what we'll do.
So that will be we'll make a full video of this whole truck later on.
All the parts for it.
Yeah, but for now we're gonna paint the oil pan. That's Dan right there. You guys haven't seen him on the channel. It's David's cousin. This is his brother Alex.
What's up?
David's brother. So we're gonna start the process right now and show you how it's done.
Scuff it up and it should be red soon.
Yeah. Maybe tell them the steps that you're doing so they...
This is just a scuff pad. Just slightly scuffing it up so the paint sticks better. I think it's primer, black primer. And just clean it up and throw some heat paint on it. Call it good. Probably doesn't get hot. It's gonna get a lot of rock chips on it, so we'll put a couple extra coats. Put a Cummins stamp on it, call it good. So we got some, just some cleaner. Get all the crap off of it.
Pretty much what he's trying to say is the first step is done, and now he's gonna take the, what was it, paint thinner? Or the reducer, and he's gonna go over it again just in case you missed the spot. So that's what he's doing right now. So all the paint will actually stick to it.
I don't miss spots. Let's get that out of the way.
Or that. So this will help just in case. And after this, you can just start spraying it.
Pretty much just cleaning it up.
It also takes 1, 2, 3, and 4 people to do it.
One man working, the rest standing around like a union.
Yeah, it is just like a unit. So what paint are you using for this?
Just some.
Is it for heat, right?
Yep.
Up to 550. All right. Sponsored by AutoZone. So right now David's spraying the 3rd coat, and it's looking like it's pretty good. Let me show you guys. It's filling in everything, and it's really red. And this is still the first can. As you guys can see, it's a little kind of orangish, but there's another can he's going to use that's a little bit darker to match the Cummins red.
Just a cheaper version of doing it.
Yeah.
Save money where you can.
It's also going to be under the truck, so it's whatever.
Red's one of the most expensive colors.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Whenever you work on a red car, make sure you charge double.
Well, you charge double even though you use a spray can.
Wow. Cali. Alright.
They're looking really good. Alrighty, so we just finished up, David just finished up painting the last coat on the oil pan, and it looks awesome. So let me show you guys. But
Final inspection.
yeah, it looks really, really good. And we put the bolts back on because he's gonna replace them anyway. So just in case you haters on the comments there are gonna complain, but those haters on there. But yeah, so it looks pretty awesome actually.
Could have done a shit job, but I like
Not a single run.
No, it looks
not a
good.
run. No dry spots. Shinier. I don't think Cummins works this hard on the dry ones.
Well, this is more. This is like 5 or 6. Yeah, yeah. Looks really good. So in the morning, we're gonna go to the truck, take off the old oil pan.
Depending on the weather.
Depending on the weather, yeah. And then we're gonna replace it. So this video should be up here in a few days. And so that's done with that. Alrighty, so we are back with the build on the Peterbilt, and this is day 2. David just got the phone call. He got the gasket in stock. Someone's gonna deliver it to the yard. So we're gonna go take off the old one, install this one, put some oil in, do what we gotta do to get it up and running. So now let's head down to the yard and let's get this thing installed.
It turned out nice.
Turned out good, huh?
Yeah, I like that. Better than Cummins. Oh yeah.
These should come right off since we don't need them, huh? So, there you go, perfect. Didn't get down to the thread. What's up, Ginger? Where are we going, Ginger? Ginger, where are we going? All right, grab some tools. All right, Davis, what do you got here?
Pulled off the oil pan and cleaning it up. Trying to get off all the gunk and oil.
Looks
Then
pretty
you
good
seal.
though, huh? Like there's
Yeah.
nothing,
Surprise, it's really clean in here.
no shavings, nothing. So
That oil pan looked brand new inside.
yeah, as you guys can see, everything under here is nice and clean. And
We're
the
gonna make it cleaner.
yes, make it cleaner. And then the oil, the original oil pan. As you guys can see, yeah, the oil is dirty, but that's the hole that got punctured right there. But overall, it's not bad because there is no shadings or nothing, so that means the engine probably turned off right away when it got into the accident. So that's really good news. So now we're waiting on the gasket for the oil pan, so hopefully we get it here in a little bit and get that installed. And so the next video that you guys will see is going to be starting the truck up. So I didn't really record how to take the oil pan off. I mean, it's pretty simple. It has, what does it have here? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22, like 26 of these bolts that you take off, and then it just comes right off. So nothing really complicated there. So we're gonna get the new gasket, install the new oil pan back on, and then the next mission will be to get this truck started. So that's what we're working on right now. It's getting kind of dark too, so not sure if I'll end the video here, because all we have to do now is just put the oil pan on. It's not very complicated, but other than that, I mean, we're all good to go here. And but if I do install it, show it to you guys, and if not, we'll just end the video here and see you guys on the next one when the truck gets started. So stay tuned.